Laticrete, the leader in tile and stone installation materials, is proud to introduce Fracture Ban, a high-performance, pliable, lightweight peel and stick membrane designed for use under ceramic tile, stone, and other hard surface installations. This reinforced high-strength membrane performs as an anti-fracture and an acoustical underlayment system that eliminates the transmission of stresses from the substrate while dampening the transmission of impact and airborne noise through the floor to the room below. The unique design of this peel and stick membrane allows for usage in both commercial and residential settings, where a quick, dependable turnaround is required, all backed by the industry's best warranty. Fracture Ban provides anti-fracture and sound reduction in one convenient, easy-to-install product. Made from a hot-applied polymer-modified asphaltic adhesive coated on a 100% polyester nonwoven with a 60-pound release liner paper, Fracture Ban has the physical properties to prevent stresses in the substrate from transmitting up through the tile or stone. The white nonwoven polyester surface allows for easy chalk line identification on any installation. The Fracture Ban peel and stick membrane is available in two thicknesses, 40 ml and 90 ml versions. Both of these peel and stick membranes are tested to ANSI A118.12 and ANSI A118.13 specifications. Fracture Ban 40 has an extra heavy usage rating according to ASTM C627 Robinson floor testing and a Delta IIC of 14 following ASTM E2179 testing. Fracture Ban 90 has a heavy usage rating according to ASTM C627 Robinson floor testing and a Delta IIC of 17 following ASTM E2179 testing. For complete test results, go to Fracture Ban datasheet DS155.0 at www.laticrete.com. This installation will be performed using Fracture Ban 40 on a concrete floor primed with Fracture Ban primer diluted 1:1 with clean potable water. All substrates must be structurally sound, clean, and free of dirt, oil, grease, paint, latents, efflorescence, concrete sealers, or curing compounds. Make rough or uneven concrete smooth to a wood float, or better, finish with an underlayment. When installing these membranes, always prime the substrate with Fracture Ban primer. Fracture Ban primer is a concentrate and must be diluted with clean potable water at a 1:1 primer-to-water ratio. Mix, stir the concentrate thoroughly prior to and after diluting. Fracture Ban primer can be broom, roller, mop, or spray applied. In this installation, we will apply the Fracture Ban primer using a paint roller. Remove any remaining puddles by brooming and spreading evenly over the surface. Allow the Fracture Ban primer to tack dry for approximately 15 minutes to 1 hour at 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 degrees Celsius, and 50% relative humidity. When the Fracture Ban primer is tack dry, install the Fracture Ban peel and stick membrane. Measure the area and cut membrane length 6 inches to 8 inches, or 152 to 203 millimeters, longer than needed to allow for a trimmed fit. Lay the pre-cut membrane directly on subfloor with release liner side down. Pull release paper off membrane while hand smoothing ridges and air pockets to ensure a good bond with 100% contact with subfloor. Once release paper is pulled from membrane, an immediate bond will form. It may be extremely difficult to pull membrane from floor once bonded. Apply the next roll in the same fashion as the first roll, ensuring that each roll butts up to the previous roll without any gaps. Do not overlap the edges in order to provide a flat surface for subsequent wear surface installation. Trim excess material as needed at walls, corners, or termination areas. Any wrinkles can be cut with a utility knife and laid out flat to prevent any unevenness in the floor prior to tiling. To ensure a good bond between the Fracture Ban and the primed floor, roll the surface with a 75 to 100 pound or 34 to 45 kilogram floor roller after each section of Fracture Ban is installed. After Fracture Ban has been installed on a clean floor primed with Fracture Ban primer and rolled, tile can be installed according to industry guidelines and installation instructions. Lay out the floor snapping chalk lines where needed as shown. You will notice how the chalk lines easily stand out on the Fracture Ban surface. In this case, we will be installing tile using Laticrete 253 Gold Thin Set. When the tile has been installed and the mortar has cured, according to the product specification on the datasheet, the tile can then be grouted. In this demonstration, we'll be using permacolor grout. After grouting has been completed, be sure to allow enough time for the installation to dry prior to allowing any foot traffic on the floor. Fracture Ban is designed to work in conjunction with other quality Laticrete materials. The entire installation is backed by a comprehensive system warranty.